Hi, I am the Networth chick. I'm all about the Benjamins, the dineros, the dollars, the loot, whatever you want to call it. Thank you for checking out my channel. Here you will find out how to increase your net worth from repairing your credit to how to make more money. Please subscribe so that you won't miss anything. Now let's get to it. What is needed to purchase a home? There are 4 things that you need to purchase a home. First, you need good credit. Number 2, you need income. Number 3, you need a low to income debt ratio. And number 4, you need a savings. So good credit. You can purchase a home with a score as low as 580, but I would not purchase a home with a score less than 700 because your credit score will predict how much your interest rate will be. So the lower your credit score, the higher your interest rate. The higher your credit score, the lower your interest rate. So if you want to learn how to repair your credit, check out my video on how to increase your net worth. Number 2, your income. You must have steady, verifiable income to purchase a home. That means you are an employee, you could be a contractor, or you could own your own business. So what are the documents that the lender will need in order to verify your income? They would need your W-2 forms, your 1099s, and or your bank statements. Number 3, now this is one that many people don't really talk about, but you need a low debt to income ratio. And this may take a little planning, but what is your low debt to income ratio? What it is how much debt do you have compared to your income? So say for instance, you have a car note that's $350 and then you have other recurring monthly payments for credit cards or other installment loans that's $150. So you have a total of $500 in debt. And for an example purpose, you earn $48,000 a year. So that means monthly you earn $4,000, 48,000 divided by 12. So you're going to take the $500 of that is your debt and divide it by your income, which is $4,000, and that gives you 12.5%, which is a good place to be. I would say that your debt to income ratio should not be more than 20%. Now, if you're looking to purchase a home soon within the next year or so, I would say don't buy a car, don't buy anything that's going to give you more recurring debt, recurring monthly payments, because that's going to add to your debt to income ratio and make your debt to income ratio go higher. I would say what you want to do is first you want to purchase your house, and then you can go and buy the furniture, the car, whatever else you want to buy. So when I say purchase a house, I don't mean put a contract on the house. I mean don't purchase anything until you get to the settlement table, sign your name 50 gazillion times, and get your keys. Then that's when you can go and buy furniture. You can go buy the car, because this has happened to one of my clients. Once they found the house, they realized, oh yeah, I need new furniture, and so they went and got new furniture on credit, thinking that, oh, the lender already pulled our credit, they're not going to pull our credit again, they won't find out. The lender finds out a lot of things that you think that they can't find out. Okay, so first of all, if you buy something on credit, that company is going to look at your credit. So it's going to be an inquiry on your credit report. So that's going to send off a bell, ding, 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 to the creditor. Like, okay, well, what are they buying? So it may not have on there how much your monthly payments are, but they will actually call that creditor and find out how much your monthly payments are. And then they will recalculate your debt to income ratio. Now, fortunately for my clients, it did not affect them where they weren't able to purchase that house, but it did increase their debt to income ratio. And but for some people, it'll knock you out of the box for that house that you already picked out and you almost made it to the settlement table on. So I say, don't do it. Just don't do it. Just suppress that urge to do it, and do it after you actually get the keys to the house, once you go to the settlement table. Okay, and the last thing is you are going to need a savings. You're going to need money for down payment. You're going to need money for closing costs. You're going to need money for your earnest money deposit. That's the check that you give when you put in your contract, letting the seller know, yes, we really want to purchase this property. You're going to need money for a home inspection. You're going to need money for the appraisal, and you're going to need money for a termite inspection. Now, let's go back a little bit. My team and I, we find out all of the 100% programs in the area where you don't have to pay any down payment when you purchase your home. And we see if you fit into that category or any of those categories. And if you do, guess what? You have a bonus. You won't have a down payment. Also, my team and I, we're able to get 95% of our clients' closing costs paid for them. So they don't have to come out of pocket with that. But definitely, that's a bonus as well. So definitely, you will have to pay your earnest money deposit. You will have to pay for your home inspection, which is about $500. Your appraisal is about $500. And your termite inspection is about $100. And your earnest money deposit should be about 1% of the purchase price of your home. But in some areas and with some programs, you can have an earnest deposit of as low as $500 or $1,000. So just keep in mind that you are going to have some out-of-pocket expenses, but you may get all of that money back at settlement, depending on the type of program that you're in. That's another video. So these are the 4 things that you need in order to purchase a home. You need good credit, you need income, you need low debt to income ratio, and you need a savings. So thank you for listening to this video. Please subscribe and share, and put your questions down in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching.